Okay, so here is my new e-bike. Here's the charger. It's fully charged. Just showing that. It's been working great. Had it for week and a half. And I'm, a couple nights ago it was working great. I took it for a bike ride, worked fine. Needed to be charged, so I charged it. I plugged it in, but I didn't know if something was going on with the key here. I've played with it. Nothing is working. It's not starting no matter what I do with the key. So I'm holding this. I don't know what else to do. Last night, the screen did flash when I was trying to get it to start. It did flash a couple of times when I was pushing that, but that was it. But yeah, it won't start. So okay. I'd love it if somebody would help me figure out what the heck's going on, or if it's just maybe something's wrong with this or the battery. The battery did have a little fall but I wasn't moving. But it was working. I've been riding it since then. It hasn't had any issues at all. It just but it just wouldn't start after last night.